officially snowing and we're on the top of a mountain surrounded by snow. I think we're going to turn around at the hotel there. This is getting a bit too much. Okay, so there's no room in that hotel. That's completely shut. There's nothing they can do for us. We have no option now to get down this mountain. It's fucking stupid. The longer we leave it, the more dangerous it is. There she is. I mean, the bike did another like 30 miles once we got off the pass, and it rode fine, so I think it's fine. Absolute trooper. Thank God we got this bike. It'd be boring if it was easy, but I could do with an easy day today. And I'm sure as shit want it to stop raining, which it's not, and I don't want to get caught in the dark again on mountain roads. I am very tired. We also had very little hot water last night for a shower when we got in, so we stayed cold pretty much all night, and we had little pot noodles for dinner. We haven't got much to pack today. We've got no beers left, no food left really. Getting a bit bored of having biscuits for breakfast. Where we're staying tonight is we've got an apartment, and there should be a 24-hour shop next door that we can get some supplies and beers. And then we've only got 3 hours to do tomorrow, and we haven't got to check out till 1. Oh, suit you, sir. Oh, we need petrol. Right, first challenge is to ride on this grass to the car park. No warning signs on the bike, just petrol, all good. Skid all over his grass. Okay, almost slid out of the grass. Another lovely warm 10 degrees today. First stop, petrol. Okay, this fuel station's shut. Got another one in 8.5 miles. We should make it. Right, we've just seen someone use this one, so there's better be bloody petrol.
It's always raining.
The amount of times we've been on low range this trip, I tell you. Oh. Should do us. Saved your life last night. I put it in danger first of all, but then I got us out of it. Alright, come with him. Okay, so the weather seems to be clearing up a little bit now. I know I'm speaking too soon. The road's getting a bit drier. My nerves are shot today. I'm very much on edge. I'm taking it very easy. I'm sure the bike is absolutely fine, but I'm just being overly paranoid. It's going to be more slippy today. timing. Oh. Looks like it's taking us to more mountainous regions, but we'll ignore that, shall we? 138 miles left to go. 15 of those are going to be in a tunnel, so excellent. Content, 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 content. Your last echo in the tunnel. Echo! Echo! Is it new? Is this very like it's got a hump on it? It has got a hump. You got your card ready so you can pay the man. Right, once we get off this ferry, it's 12 miles away till we hit the longest tunnel in Europe, which is pretty cool. What's it called? The Lærdal Tunnel. Lærdal Tunnel. And we're in that for 15 miles. It's starting to rain again. Region, but we reckon this tunnel is going to take us through them. Therefore, no snow, no rain. I need this today, I need it, I do. This is it. The longest tunnel in Europe. I'm not complaining about it. Drive through the mountains instead of over them in the snow. Liking it. And it's dry, but we've spoken too soon before. look at.
Not so good. I don't know if it's... I don't know if it's the cold or because we were beaten up, but I'm not handling it so well today. I am stiff and my bum hurts.
It's cold. I think we're in damp clothes. Most of our clothes are still damp this morning. Combination of that. And we're just a bit fed up with it all. But we've stopped off. We're going to try and get something, a couple of snacks, and then going to get going again, yeah? Calories, 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 calories.
Oh, creamy.
Oh, it's so cold. The idea is we're going to eat this now, tide us over, get to the place tonight. There's a supermarket there, and we can have chips. Right, so it's raining again. Time to make a move. Oh, skill switch myself. It's always the last hour. Okay, we're in our last 50 miles now. This is where it normally all goes horribly wrong. If we're lucky, we might just make this ferry on time. I don't know. I think we can see the ferry at the port. We've got 3 miles still to go. I don't know. You see all the traffic now coming off the ferry. So close. Don't know where the next one is. Go have a look. Hey. So close.
So close. But now you have some time to look around and stretch your legs.
Is it an hour?
Yeah.
Another hour.
So you have some time to rest.
Next ferry's in an hour. We must have missed it by 3 minutes. Missed the ferry by 3 minutes. Now we've got an hour's wait. So we're going to go do our shopping. But once we get off the ferry on the other side, we've only got about a 10-minute ride, then we're at the place.
Well, we're not getting peeing.
At least we're not on the side of a mountain.
No.
And look, no snow!
You know what I really miss right now? My Guinness mug.
Guinness mug.
For those who don't know, my Guinness mug is a bucket in which I drink tea from.
Looks good. Right, so we've got some oven pizzas, beers and ciders, some salad and some breakfast, bacon rolls for breakfast in the morning. So now, once we finally get this ferry, which I believe is in half an hour, we can get in, shower and get warm. Today's been a bit boring, we've both been absolutely shattered. So yeah, and the weather's just been shit all day, hasn't it? So yeah, and also...
Not been the funnest of days.
It's not been the funnest today, especially after yesterday. We're just
and everything
broken.
Hurts.
Everything hurts. We're really paranoid about the bike, even though the bike's fine. So yeah, that's the truth of it. I'm not into it today. Just not. But I've got chips, oven chips. I'm going to cover in this pommes frites dust, and oh, it's going to be so good. This might be our last ferry of the trip. I don't know. Okay. Yep. Good. And we believe this is our last mini ferry crossing, other than the big ones for the way home. Do you know what? This is needed after yesterday. So yeah. Right, we're gonna unpack. Maybe check in with you later. If not, thanks for watching. Sorry today's been a bit of a boring day, but we're broken, to be honest with you. We'll just wait in the mood for the rain. So yeah, if I don't see you later, I'll check in with you tomorrow. Don't forget, shave your balls, not your face. Think about subscribing, I'd appreciate it, and we'll catch you later. Cheers.